Good morning. This is a demo of the ESP8266 flash downloader using an ESP-01S. Now, if you've got an ESP-01OS, you know sometimes it's problematic to program because of these pins and the need to short them out. And so some people have custom DuPont wire rigs to do it. Others have used this tool, which is nice, except that you program your ESP-01S. You have to then pull out this, flip the switch over to program, plug it back in to see if the code runs. But how do you see if it triggers any pins? You can't, because there's no pins on here. So this rig is the perfect solution for you if you're programming ESP-01s or even ESP-07s or 12s. We simply plug it in here. Make sure it's right. You can see that I've got, oh, look at that, I/O pins to match this entire form factor. And I've got a USB input. And I've got a reset button. And I've got a flash download. So let's go ahead and plug this in so you can see how easy it is to use. I'm going to run the simple blink sketch. You can see that nothing's occurring, so this is the programmer in default mode with a ESP-01S plugged in. Take a second. See that the PC is talking to the programming board and the ESP-01. We now have the blink sketch. So you can see I did nothing other than run the sketch. No reset button, no removing the rig, no removing the ESP-01. But wait, there's more. I'm going to connect an OLED to this rig and show you another application. Here's how the wiring is going to look. So to demonstrate that I don't need to hit any flash buttons, reset buttons, remove the ESP-01 or the rig, I'm going to load some code that turns this into a mini web server. It will connect to my home network, and then I will, with a browser, send text back to this device that will display on the OLED. So we're loading the code. There's the upload. And you can see it's reporting that I have an IP address of 192.168.1.89. And so you can see on my web browser on my phone, I now have that website up. I'm going to type the word yes, and it now updates on the OLED. That's how easy it is. If you've got those ESP-01Ss sitting in a drawer somewhere, pull them out, grab this programmer, and put those bad boys back into service. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to visit DIY Mall for all of your Arduino Raspberry Pi and IoT needs. Thanks.